friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a paper wallet which is totally waterproof. So let's get started. For this you will need an A4 size paper, a square piece of plastic whose borders I have already secured with a pink paper, and another piece of paper laminated with the help of tape. Now carefully follow the steps and see the magic. Now glue these sides of the paper. It's time for the final fold and the basic wallet is ready. Now we need to decorate the wallet. First of all, we will stick the stickers on the front side of the wallet. These stickers are totally handmade. I will show you how to make these very soon in my upcoming videos. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now cut this fold from the middle. Now unfold this side of the paper. Now apply some glue and stick it firmly. Now fold the corners of both the sides. In order to make the wallet waterproof, laminate the folded side of the paper. I am using tape for lamination. Similarly, using the tape, we will laminate the front side of the wallet as well. Our wallet is almost ready. Now we will add on some accessories to make our wallet more interesting. To secure the corners, I am using these handmade washi tapes. Ta-da! Our wallet is ready. It is totally waterproof. If you found this video interesting, hit the like button, share it with your friends and family. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, consider subscribing it so that you can enjoy more of my interesting videos. Bye bye. See you next time.